things over to meteorologist Chris Nunley, who is tracking some important weather movements this Christmas Eve. Anything to worry about, Chris?
Sydney, the good news is the weather is improving. There's still a low and severe risk as we continue over the next few hours, especially for the Brazos Valley. But here in Central Texas, the severe threat is starting to come to an end, but we're still going to hold on to that weather impact alert until the next couple of hours. The main concerns, which are going to be isolated in nature, are damaging wind gusts and pocket change size hail. So you want to make sure that you stay weather aware, especially if you live a little bit closer to Bryan and College Station and Brenham. That's where there's that potential for one or two additional strong, possibly severe storms. You can always stay up to date. Download the free KCEN 6 Plus app, and you can see reflected on the latest watches and warnings. Let's just point out there are no active severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings. That's the good news. There is a severe thunderstorm watch until midnight for the counties you see here that are highlighted in that yellow-orange color. That is that severe thunderstorm watch. It initially did extend a little bit farther north and west, but as a cold front is pushing in, that is slowly chipping away at that severe thunderstorm watch. Brazos County is still included within that severe thunderstorm watch, but I expect that to eventually get canceled, likely a little bit earlier than midnight. So hopefully you can rest assured with that cold front moving in, starting to end that severe risk. You can see northerly winds. Look at those arrows back behind the cold front. That's dry, sinking air, and that is ending that severe risk to the west of I-35. Still holding on to the showers and storms out ahead of that cold front in between I-35 and I-45, where some heavy rain is falling, a lot of moisture in place. These storms are moving slowly, so that's leading to not only that isolated severe risk, but flooding is a possibility as well. If you live in Brazos County, there is a flash flood warning that continues for the next couple of hours. Bryan as well as northern College Station saw some heavy rain. Flooding is possible. And then from Calvert all the way to I-45 near Centerville, there's a flash flood warning as well. As you're going out and about tonight or tomorrow morning, if you encounter a roadway covered by water, you want to make sure that you find another route. If you are traveling across the Lone Star State, there's really not much going on outside of the area from San Antonio to Austin, extending into the Arklatex. This will move into southeastern Texas, but this time of the year, folks, you can have ice, snow in the Panhandle. We are not seeing that. We are not expecting that. So that is the good news as we work our way into your Christmas. If you have any last-second travel plans, temperatures back behind the cold front. Brownwood, Comanche, 53 degrees, low 50s there, mid to upper 50s for Killeen, Temple, as well as Waco. Brenham still holding on to the upper 70s at this hour. Hard to believe it's almost 10:30 at night on December 24th and near 70 in Brenham. Overnight lows do fall into the 40s west of I-35 into the hill country, Brazos Valley. Central parts of the state see those temperatures in the mid to upper 50s to start your Christmas morning. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Comfortable, most areas in the upper 50s, lower 60s, a little bit milder from Hearn to College Station, with those temperatures possibly getting into the mid to upper 60s by tomorrow afternoon. Cloudy to start your morning, 6 a.m. A lot of cloud cover, maybe some drizzle east of I-35, but by the afternoon, notice that clearing line working its way toward I-35, so some sun breaks possible by the afternoon. As that system scoots off and starts to weaken, it's bringing those storms tonight. Next system on the way, though, already impacting the west coast. That's going to work its way into Oklahoma as we work into Thursday evening. This sends a cold front into central Texas, and that's going to increase that severe risk yet again. So keep that in mind. Prepare for your Thursday afternoon and evening into the overnight hours, especially to the east of I-35, I-45, Brazos Valley. There's that potential for isolated severe storms, damaging winds, tornadoes, and large hail are a possibility. We'll continue to keep you updated on that forecast as it evolves over the next day or so. Taking a look at that 7-day forecast, temperatures upper 40s, lower 50s for lows with highs staying pretty warm in the low to mid 70s.